Hello and welcome to another video on the computer vision applications. So in this particular video, we'll try to create a Streamlit application for detecting and counting red apples in real world images by using OpenCV and Python. So this particular code will be an extension of my previous blog post, which you can find on this particular link. I will put the link in the description of this particular video. So for details, you can go through this particular blog post where I explained the logic in detail. So the aim of this particular video is to create an end-to-end application for the existing code. So this is the repo for the code which you can refer later on. So let's hop on to the code. So here I have imported the Streamlit, and here I have also imported the function detect count apples, which I have taken from my blog post code reference. And here I am writing the title for my application, and I am uploading an image, and the allowed formats are PNG and JPEG. Then I am creating two buttons: view input image, whatever we are uploading, the input image that we can view by using this particular button, and another button is count apples. So whenever user press this particular count apples button, it should show the number of apples present in the input image along with the result. So the same logic is implemented in this case. So if upload is not none, so means the image is uploaded successfully and the user has pressed this particular button, view input image, then in that case we are showing the user the input image. Whenever the user presses the count apples button and the upload is successful, then in that case we are trying to detect and count the apples, and here we are returning the number of apples, which is an integer, and the result where the apples are detected, and if number of apples are greater than 1, then we are displaying how many number of apples are detected, and we are also showing the result. So if number of apples detected are 0, then we are just displaying the this particular message that the input image doesn't have any apples. And if user doesn't have uploaded an image, then it will show this particular message. Okay, so this is the function that has been taken from that blog post. So let's try to run. So this will be Streamlit run app.py. So here you can see we have not uploaded an image yet. So let us upload some image. So I will go with A2, and we can view the input image here. So this is the input image in which we want to detect and count the number of apples, and if we just click on this particular count apples, it will show that there are total 19 apples present, and it will also show the result with the bounding circles on the detected apples. So let us take another image. Let's try to take a1.png. So we can view the input image here, and we can count the apples also. So one can see that all the apples are correctly detected with the total count. So using Streamlit, it's very easy to create an end-to-end computer vision application. Thank you for listening.